Once upon a time, in a small, cozy town named Baker's Bluff, lived a sweet little girl named Lily. She was known for her kind heart and love for baking bread with her grandmother. One sunny morning, while helping her grandmother bake, Lily accidentally dropped a loaf of fresh bread on the floor. "Oh, dear," she said, feeling quite upset. Her grandmother, understanding her disappointment, said, "Don't worry, Lily. It's just a loaf of bread. What matters is that you helped me today." Lily looked at her grandmother with teary eyes and said, "But Grandma, I wanted to make you proud." Her grandmother smiled and took her hand, saying, "I am always proud of you, dear." The next day, Lily woke up early and decided to make a special loaf of bread for her grandmother. She worked hard, kneading the dough and shaping it just right. When it was time to bake, she remembered her accident from the day before and was careful not to drop the loaf again. The aroma of freshly baked bread filled the house, making her grandmother's eyes light up with joy. "Lily, my dear, this is the best loaf I've ever tasted," her grandmother said, beaming with pride. Lily's heart filled with happiness, knowing she had made her grandmother happy. From that day forward, Lily learned that it's not about perfection, but about the love and effort put into things. And every time she baked bread, she remembered the loaf she had trod on and smiled, knowing that even mistakes can lead to something beautiful. And so, the girl who trod on a loaf of bread learned a valuable lesson about mistakes, love, and the power of a heartfelt gesture. And she lived happily, spreading love and warmth with every loaf she baked. The end.